What's going on, everyone? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2022 Audi S5 Sportback Premium Plus. This vehicle is a 3-liter turbocharged V6 with 349 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque with a quattro all-wheel drive. You have a full digital gauge cluster. I love Audi's gauge clusters, they look really cool. You also have an 8-speed automatic transmission. Reverse camera with 360 view. Just one screen in this one. It doesn't have like the multi-screens that you see in some Audi vehicles. You have heated seats, no ventilated seats. Comfort, auto, dynamic, and individual modes. We'll drive in dynamic for today's drive. You also have a carbon fiber interior trim, which looks cool. You also have an S badge on the bottom of the wheel. It's not a flat bottom wheel though. It still looks cool. Paddle shifters as well. You have really nice sport seats with Alcantara, and S badge over there with diamond quilted stitching. Center console storage over here. Here's the key fob. It says S on the back. Also quattro badge over there. You also have a big sunroof. It's not panoramic. And here's your rear seats. They look a little bit cramped, but we'll look at that in a sec. If you're on the taller side, you might have some trouble fitting in the back. Like, I don't think I can fit in the back seats that easily. Car looks pretty cool. You have black calipers. This one has a giant front lip, which I didn't even notice earlier. That's cool. You have silver mirror caps, or chrome. Here are the rear seats. This has smoke taillights. They don't actually normally look like that. You also have quad outlet exhaust. Our S5s will have the dual exhaust, the circles, but the S's have this regular quads. With it being a Sportback, you have a lot of room back, cargo space back here. So that's very practical. That's actually pretty awesome. You can fit a lot of groceries back there. But yeah, good looking car. Let's take it out on the road now. See how it drives. I haven't driven an S5 in a while. Some revs. Yeah, it's quick and it sounds really good too. This vehicle does 0 to 60 in roughly 4.5 seconds, which is quite good. You also have a heated steering wheel button right there. Good placement for that. I do wish the vehicle had ventilated seats though. And you also have a Bang & Olufsen sound system with this Premium Plus trim. I remember when the high-end Audi Bang & Olufsen systems would have like the speakers rise out of the dash. Yeah, very fast. Very linear acceleration, feels good. I love that gauge cluster. Visibility is a little hard out of those rear windows because of the tapered off roof line. that sounds good. Yeah, luckily you do a blind spot alert, because as I said, it's very hard to see out of these windows for your blind spot. That's you know, a drawback if you get a coupe or a sportback. Some sportbacks don't have this much of a tapered off roof, but this car really does. Like, I can't really see a whole lot. Yeah, the car's nice to drive. Yeah, this thing pulls. It's very fun to drive, guys. Really cool car. Now for the rest of the drive, let's just put it into normal mode. I'm gonna put it in auto. So comforter auto is what you could be, where you could, like, you know, normally drive in for your daily commute. But overall, really nice 2022 Audi S5 Premium Plus. Thanks for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for very nice performance vehicles like this Audi.